I remember when John had come to the studios for I Neil there. It was an early morning thing and I was thanking God I wasn't there. It was all ladies, man.
And I remember when me and John spoke at Ekdam ready for the Times of India, Lavasa Women's Drive. Good morning, John. And of course, I need men. We spoke a lot about that when we came to our studios. And you put one condition to all the ladies and women out here. John wanted to speak only to the lady RJs, the women RJs. And right now, with so many women around you, how's that feeling?
Hey guys, very good morning. It's actually the right place for me to be in right now. I honestly believe most of you women, and no disrespect to the men out here, I'm a man. Most of the women out here, all of them practically are in the driver's seat, and there is no better place than to be at a car rally where the women are in a driver's seat. There is this age-old misconception that there are no women drivers. You're either a woman or a driver. Okay, we're going to change all that, and that's happened over the past 5 years, if I'm right. We've got about 2,000 women, about 500 cars out here. Have a safe drive. Put your seatbelt on. Support the cause that you believe in, and it's great to see all of you here so early in the morning. That's good.
John, okay, one sec. Can you do me a favor, John? Can you just start looking from right to left so that all of them can take the picture or ask a question? Okay, I know for a fact that you're very, very fond of cars and bikes, right? And you are also somebody who does not let anybody drive your car. So I'm not going to ask you the names of the women in your life, but how many of them get to drive your car?
Well, I've got someone who, I've got my man Friday who drives my car. He's the only guy who's allowed to drive it, but no one touches my motorcycles.
Alright. Okay guys, since we are here for the 5th edition of the Lavasa Women's Drive, all the cars are standing there, so would request आपकी सारी photographs जो आपको वहाँ से मिलेंगे, आपकी सारी videos, हमें race जो है वो flag off करनी है. So requesting all of you to move beyond the flag off point. Once again, गाड़ी निकल जाएगी तो अभी नहीं चलेगा. Please clear the parking lot. Thank you. In exactly a minute and a half, we're going to flag off the 5th edition of the Lavasa Women's Drive.
Right now on stage, I would also like to welcome Anuradha Parskar. She is the Senior Vice President, Marketing and Sales, Lavasa Corporation. She's been right here.
Drive slow, it's a rally, so drive slow, within speed limits, don't break the law, enjoy yourselves and put your seatbelts on. And congratulations on supporting this cause and this rally. So wish you all the best.
Okay, 20, 19, 18,
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
John, बराबर में गेला. Okay. चलो. Next गाड़ी, अगली गाड़ी.
Our first car, the lorry is already on its way. You'll have to follow the lead car here. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
ओके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया कैमरा यहाँ पे फोटो शूट हो रहा है, आ जाओ यहाँ पे
Keep the camera out of sight. This is what we totally believe in too. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! All the best, guys.
जी ये 5वीं साल है वुमेन्स कार रैली की, लवासा कार रैली। इसमें 2000 विमेन ड्राइवर है, विमेन पार्टिसिपेंट्स है, 500 गाड़ियाँ हैं और हर एक गाड़ी एक स्पेसिफिक कॉज को सपोर्ट करती है। और मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है, जिसे आपने देखा कि कोई ब्रेस्ट कैंसर को सपोर्ट कर रहा है या कोई एक और कॉज को सपोर्ट कर रहा है। तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे और हर साल इतने एंथुजियास्टिक है ये ड्राइवर्स। सो इट्स ऑलवेज इट्स ग्रेट टू बी हियर, क्योंकि मैं यही सोचता हूँ, और जैसे मैंने स्टेज पे बताया कि आई थिंक women are always in the driver's seat. So I've got the women here who are in the driver's seat. So it's great to be here.
John, can you tell me the level of excitement for the movement that you saw? Like, what sort of level of excitement can you see in the movement for the?
Well, it's great to see women at the wheel first of all, and it's great to know that they're supporting a cause. And a rally does not mean just going fast. Yeah, a rally means going within permissible speed limits, being safe, and over and above that, in this rally they're supporting a cause, and I think that's what makes this Lavasa car rally absolutely special.
What Ishan want to tell the woman who is driving the car?
Yeah, that this time they need to love themselves and not Ishan, and that's very important because Ishan is the most narcissistic guy around. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi John, Times of India, Shreya. I'm sure this is the first time you come here to flag off.
It's a women's drive, and we'd spoken yesterday, or I think Prachi didn't really understand or comprehend the concept of a women's car rally. So it's great for her to be here. She was more than excited about being here, seeing women support causes out here. So.
Yeah, basically going by the film, it's only John who's supposed to be here. He's the one who's always surrounded by women, always getting women attention. And I was like, I think, John, this is your thing, you know, women's drive, and they're all going to be so excited because I think all of a sudden, inko dekhkar unki jo shuruaat hogi, that's going to be a blast. But yeah, of course, I mean, it's great being here. It's for a good cause. And I've been hearing about this year after year, but it's the first time that I've actually come. Hopefully next year I'll participate as well.
मतलब आप ये कहना चाहेंगे कि जॉन की वजह से आप यहाँ खड़े हैं?
बिल्कुल, मैं सिर्फ जॉन की वजह से यहाँ खड़ी हूँ।
नेक्स्ट ईयर प्राची पार्टिसिपेट भी करेगी।
Only if John comes to encourage me. That's it.
You'll be riding a bike or you'll be there in the car?
She'll be in the car. I'll be a navigator.
Yeah, that should be cool.
Okay, the moment you came in, how excited the people, the women over here who was participating in this event?
Very excited because they've been preparing for it. Of course, ये कोई competition नहीं है, but that doesn't mean that it's anything lesser than that. I mean, their spirit is great. I've actually had friends जो कुछ पिछले साल जिन्होंने participate किया था, और वो almost एक महीने तक, you know, they were talking about this, preparing for it, and it's something that's very exciting for all of them.
Prachi, how do you see the whole initiative, you know, which is behind this cause,
Yeah.
to support the cause, you know?
You know, it's kind of lovely to have so many people come together. हम बहुत सारे causes के बारे में हमेशा बात करते हैं, but when you have these many people join hands and come together, I think it makes so much of a difference क्योंकि it makes a difference when these many people actually come together.
प्राची, इससे पहले कितनी बार आप इतनी जल्दी सुबह उठी हैं?
Actually कभी नहीं, शायद मैं पिछली रात सोई नहीं so that I could make it early in the morning. Yeah.
क्या आपने सोने नहीं दी?
As a co-actor, she's always on time, बहुत ही disciplined है. पता नहीं क्यों कह रही नहीं होती है.
सर, कोई मैसेज आप देना चाहेंगे अपने फैंस के लिए जो
जी यही कहना चाहता हूँ. I'd like to actually speak about one cause, that's breast cancer. और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हम लोग बहुत ही अर्ली डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट्स वन ऑफ द इनिशिएटिव, द मेन स्पॉन्सर्स ऑफ दिस. सो जस्ट गो आउट देयर एंड मेक श्योर यू चेक योरसेल्व्स फॉर समथिंग दैट कुड बी फेटल इन द फ्यूचर.
Prachi, you
Anand, this car has